Did you know that astronauts can actually grow up to 2 inches taller while they're in space? And with no gravity compressing their spine, they literally start to stretch out longer. But here's the kicker. When they come back to Earth, their body struggles to handle gravity again. Now, I realize that stress works in a similar way because if you have too much stress, you burn out. If you have too little stress, you lose resilience. This is called the stress tolerance paradox, where both too much or too little stress make you feel off. Your body actually needs stress to function well. So the key is knowing how to manage it so that it fuels you instead of draining you. Now here's the thing. I'm an expert when it comes to stress because every single day I work with individuals who feel trapped between 2 extremes. Either they're overwhelmed by stress or they're feeling sluggish without it. But the secret isn't in eliminating stress, but in controlling how your body handles it. So here's my offer to you. If you want to learn how stress can be used to your advantage instead of having it as a problem, I want you to comment the word stress down below, and I'll send you a free copy of a book that I created called Stress Advantage, which will help guide you to take control of stress in your life.